Okey, kita teruskan untuk tutorial yang ke-21. Alright, so for this tutorial, we're going to explore on how to add your ceilings and how to add on your lights. Okay, your ceiling lights. Okay, so for that intent, okay, so we're gonna start at the ceiling plans. Okay, so we're going to look at your project browser. Can? So we have your floor plans, ceiling plans. Click on your ceiling plans, the plus type. Then we're going to go to the entry level. Kenapa? Because we want to create the ceiling for this entry level. Okay, so I'm going to click entry level. It's going to bring me, it's going to bring me here. Okay, save my project. Okay. Okay, so this is my entry level. Okay, so saya nak create ceilings for this area. Okay, so how to do? So go to architecture ribbons, then go to your ceiling tab. Okay, hit your ceiling tab. Then there's one for sketching and one for automatic and sketches. Okay, untuk sketch ni you lukis one by one like the floor kan kita buat. So I'm just gonna use the automatic ceilings sebab it's just like simple shapes. So I'm gonna hit the automatic ceiling button. Okay, then I'm just gonna like click here. Then you're gonna see the pink lines. So you click, there's one, and then another one, then another one. Okay, so dah ada lah our ceiling ni. I'm just gonna modify. Okay, then how we want to check. Kita tengok dekat our 3D. So our 3D view. Then let's say if I want to hide my roof. Okay, then you can see from here pun dah nampak dah kan. Okay, so I'm gonna hide my roof. So this is how you hide your elements. Then there. So you can see from here ni, this is your ceiling, the ceiling that we have created jadi. Okay, so there's one here, one here, one here. Okay, so as easy as that if you want to create ceilings for your project. Okay, then I'm gonna unhide, I'm gonna control Z. Okay, so there's my roof. Okay, sekarang kita nak add some lightings. Okay, maybe some downlights would be nice for our project. Okay, so to add your lightings, first you have to do is go to your ceiling just now. Okay, we're working on our entry level plan. Okay, then I'm gonna go to my architecture components because it's like this. Whenever you want to add anything, then like your furniture, your people, so you just go to your components, and then place a component. Then I'm just gonna load family. Okay, I'm gonna load my family, and then I'm gonna try to find the folder of lightings. There, lighting. Okay, so when I hit the lighting, there's going to be two choices, architectural or MEP. Okay, mechanical, electrical, plumbing. Okay, so I'm going to just click on architectural. Then the lights is divided into two, whether you want to use the external or the internal. Okay, so I'm just going to use the internal because we are working on the internal side of the house. So click on the internal. Okay, then when you hit one of these, you're going to see that there's a lot of choices that you can explore around. Okay, so for now, I'm just gonna use the ceiling light round or maybe LED. Round LED. Okay, let's just try this round LED lah. So I'm gonna click open. Then automatically, it will be in my properties. Okay, then see, it's the downlight there. Okay, let's see if we have other choices. Okay, there are choices juga lah. Okay, the watt is just the same lah, tak terang dia. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this one. Okay, so after we've chosen the downlight, okay, I'm using this downlight. Okay, I'm gonna hit on place on face. Okay, because we're working on our ceiling ni. Okay, then I'm gonna choose this. Okay, then we can just place our lights where we want it to be. Okay, so I'm gonna place one here. Okay, Then after I placed there satu, okay, then I'm gonna use this tool. Okay, then I'm gonna click on it. Then I'm gonna use this tool. Okay, array. Right? Then you can see what this array gonna do. Right? So the number 2, okay, I'm gonna put it 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm just gonna put 4 because I want 4 lights to be on the top layer there. Then I'm gonna put it last. Okay, you see what's gonna happen, eh? Okay, so I'm just gonna choose one point here. Then I'm just gonna choose here. Okay, so when you see the straight line too, it means it is in a straight line. So you click here, then automatically you're gonna have 4. Okay, so if you say you wanna change it, then you wanna add 5, then you can add 5 lah. Alright, then you say, I think 4 is enough lah, 5 lah. Okay, I think 5 is fine also. Alright, so that is how you put on your light. So let's say that I want more. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on it and I'm gonna press Control 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna go to array again. I'm gonna click one of it. Okay, then I'm gonna go down here, maybe around 3 lah. Okay, so I think 3 is enough. And then last, so let's try to put it here. Okay, then now you have a lot. Okay, so meaning that we have these represents the lights that we have lah, our down lights tadi, the one that we chosen. Okay, then maybe I want to choose another, because it's maker. Want to put some more here kah? It's okay, we're trying to like work on this plain dulu lah. Alright, so that is how you put on your lights. Okay, so let's say kita nak tengok whether our lights ni working or not. Okay, so we go to 3D. I'm gonna go to the view. Okay, so the view ni you cannot see pun kan. Okay, then I'm just gonna open my section box. Yeah. And I'm gonna like nak cut a little bit tak? Okay, it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna cancel this. I'm just gonna leave my section box open. Okay, then I'm gonna go to my entry level. Okay, so this is my entry level. Okay, then I'm gonna let's say I just want it to be shaded. Okay, still the same. Okay, it's okay. So I'm just gonna go to my atas ni or view, either which one lah. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna use my camera. Okay, I'm gonna get my camera. So I wanna like take a view picture from here to there. Okay, here to here. I'm gonna snap on it. Click. Okay, then this is what we have. So I'm gonna open it wide a little bit. Okay. Right. So you can see the lights is here already. Then kita install the lights just now, the ceiling lights. Okay. Then I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go to find. Then this one on the realistic one. Okay, so you can see Cynthia is sitting here, the frames that we did on the last tutorial. Okay, then now kita nak try for the lighting. Okay, maybe this one we can open a little bit lah. Okay, so there's another person there standing. Okay, maybe open this one a little bit wider. Okay. Okay, so this is the view that we have right now. Okay, kita tak tambah carpet lagi or anything kan. Okay, so if you want to add more furniture or anything, then you can just add it lah, make it nicer. Then I'm gonna try to render. Okay, so how to render? You go to your view. Then you go to your render button. Okay, then you're gonna see rendering here. Okay, so render. I'm gonna render it to medium lah, because if it's high, dia terlampau lama sangat pula nak render. Okay, my computer pun tak laju apa pun. So I'm just gonna buat the setting on the medium one. Then I'm gonna set it to artificial only. Okay, meaning I don't want any lighting from the external I don't want anything to do with the external factors from the outside lighting lah. I don't want any sun lighting. Okay, I just wanna use my artificial lights. Okay, so I'm gonna set it here artificial only. Okay, then I'm gonna render. Okay, so this is gonna take a few minutes lah. So just bear with me lah. Okay, I'm gonna click render. Dan dia akan rendering. Okay, so kita tunggu bersama-sama. See, even the rendering pun ambil masa. Okay. Okay. So you get the idea lah. You tengok nak render punya lah lama baru 2% je kan. So do we have to wait? Okay, kita tunggu sekejap. Later on you guys forward lah. Okay, maybe I can forward it later. Okay, so bila you tengok from here, when you kita baru render using the medium one, alright? Yang ni dia memang still looks cartoony lagi lah kan, using vectors lagi. Tapi if we render dengan high rendering, dia akan it is way better. Okay, kalau you nak macam sebiji like in pictures or everything, you have to render dekat cloud lah. Okay, atau you have to install some plugins for the Revit one. Yang that one is for the advanced punya ni lah. Okay, so you get the idea lah from here. So this is how you set your lights. Okay. Tapi if you want to set your lights dekat ceiling ni, for sure you have to create the ceilings dulu Ke kita nak biar kejap? Biarlah je lah kejap. Then so let's say if I'm using the setting for the external tadi, kan? External natural lighting, then akan ada pencahayaan yang akan masuk through the openings lah, through the doors or the windows. What setting is this? Okay, so even it's a medium setting pun it looks nice juga lah, kan? Not that bad. Okay, still looks good. Alright, okay, so I'm just gonna stop here. Yes. Okay, so let's say you want to use this picture kan, so you have to save to project. Okay, sebab kalau you keluar je terus, nanti your ni hilang lah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it here, render 01. Okay, so where can you get this image back? Okay, so render images are saved in the renderings branch of project browser. So it's gonna be here. Okay, I click OK. Then you tengok sini automatically dia akan provide you the rendering. Okay, so you click on the plus, then you have your picture there. Okay, so if I'm gonna exit back, it's gonna go to normal. Okay, there. So it's back to normal. So you have to render to make it a little bit realistic. Okay, so you have your picture back tadi, your image, and you just go to render, then here it is. Okay, tapi still macam pecah lah because we didn't do it until 100% tadi kan. Tapi you get the idea kan. Okay, so that is for rendering. Okay, so if you nak render your house macam, okay, let's say that you've put all your trees, kan, and then you put some outdoor furniture and everything nak ni, and then you want to render, so that is also the same way to do it. So you render and then you choose which lighting you want to use. If it's for the external ni, you're gonna use the natural lighting lah. Okay, you have to set it and then you render. So if you have a powerful computer, you can just set it to high renderings, dia akan jadi lawa lah. Okay, so I think that is for this tutorial, which we covered on ceilings, lightings, and simple renderings. Okay, so another video that I'm gonna cover is the sheets video. Okay, all right, thank you.